Today, we are going to test your skill in reading math sentences. You are asked to read twice, clearly, and pronounce them properly. After which, I will read the sentence but listen to them carefully how I pronounce the sentence. As a practice, you may record while reading them yourself and have them reviewed by someone to point any possible mistakes. Are you ready? This program is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Para makamit ang tagumpay, kailangan tulong-tulong tayo. Upang maging effective ang ating program, kailangan ng tulong ng mga magulang at mga ibang miyembro ng family. Item number 1. Kindly read the sentence twice. Eight divided by 2 is equal to 4. I repeat, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Kindly read. Item number 2. Kindly read the sentence twice. Kindly read. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. Kindly read. Item number 3. Kindly read the sentence twice. Twenty divided by 2 is equal to 10. 10 divided by 2 equals 10. Kindly read. Item number 4. Kindly read the sentence twice. Twelve divided by 3 is equal to 4. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Kindly read. Item number 5. Kindly read the sentence twice. Twelve divided by 4 equals 3. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Kindly read. Item number 6. Kindly read the sentence twice. Twenty-two divided by 2 is equal to 11. 22 divided by 2 is equal to 11. Kindly read. Item number 7. Kindly read the sentence twice. 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. Kindly read. Item number 8. Kindly read the sentence twice. "16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. Kindly read. Item number 9. Kindly read the sentence twice. "14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. 14 divided by 7 equals 2. Kindly read. Item number 10. Kindly read the sentence twice. "18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. Kindly read. Congratulations, kids! This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.